Well, hello there, and welcome back to Balance Kitchen. If this is your first time stopping by, please consider subscribing to this channel and become a part of this beautiful family. And if you are an old subscriber to my other channel, Balance Space, please consider subscribing to this new channel as well. Balance Kitchen, that's the name. Balance Space have been blocked due to some reasons. Thank you so much, and like, comment, and share. Thank you. I don't even know who told these egg sellers not to clean their eggs. You always sell us eggs that are so expensive and they can't even clean them properly. You buy your crate of eggs and you get home and you realize half or almost all of it is dirty. It has chicken poo poo. What kind of behavior is this?
Empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone. Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la. Oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights. Turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone. Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Oh no. Oh
So this is what I do to my carrot to help them stay or last up to a month or more than a month. So once I wash them this way, I clean them up, make sure they are dry, then I store them in my Ziploc and then put them in your fridge, and it can actually last up to a month. I'm going to show you guys somewhere along the week or maybe 2 weeks how fresh they still look once you do it this way.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Oh no, oh
How long can you hold onto your breath for? It's been too long now. I think that I want a second guess you, a second guess me, a second guess them. Don't second guess me. Live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. Live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. So come a little closer, but don't hold your breath. Silence in the background, violence in your eyes now.
Remember that time you gave your heart to me. Remember that time when life was like a dream.
You know what I know. You know what I know. I need to hold you close to me, to me.
empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Oh no, oh
Alright guys, so I'm done and I've arranged everything in the fridge, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I arrange them in my fridge. Okay, so guys, let me show you the inside of the fridge. Okay, how I have packed or how I have arranged everything inside the fridge. Okay, and this is actually going to last up to a month or a month and a half. Please, if you don't shop in bulk, please try to do so. Okay, it saves you a lot of money and it also saves you time. So over here I have my eggs, and there are some in that basket, and we have some down there. These two baskets, I have my fancy kinky ready for my Ramadan, and this is where I store my bread. Okay, when you get to the next drawer, I have my cucumber here, my cabbage, And this basket here is basically for my fries. This is where I put them in the night before, then the next morning I just take it out and I fry. Okay, I have my green pepper and some spring onion in that one. Here I have my lettuce, I have my okra, my tomatoes, and this is a random basket. Okay, everything or any other thing goes into this basket. Okay, this is where I arrange any other thing. And sometimes when I do get oranges, this is where I also put them in because it's big enough to carry a lot of oranges. Okay, which I'll be showing you guys later on. And down here I have my leftover food. I have my egusi and my oyster sauce, and over here I have my ripe plantain and some carrots. Once I said again, when you store your carrot this way, it's actually going to last you a while. Okay, and this drawer I have my fruits in here. I'll be stocking up on some other fruits which you'll be seeing at the end of this video. I'll be stocking up on some grapes, some tangerines, some apples, and some more mangoes. Okay, because those are the fruits we love. And over here I have my cinnamon, my baking powder, baking soda, and some flavors for sobolo and other things. And down here I have my egusi, I have my wheat for my wheat cocoa, I also have my beans for wache and bean stew. And when you go to the next drawer, I have my kuli kuli, I also have my tiger nut, ginger over there, and some cloves, quintia, those kind of spices. When you come up here, I have my salad cream and ketchup and those things. And here I have my milk and my kids medications, and over there I have medication as well and chocolates. I put the medications that are supposed to go into the fridge right there. Okay, so as I said, I'll be showing you guys later on the fruits I've stocked up on. And I hope you guys do like this video. I hope you get to learn a thing or two from this video. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Okay, leave us a nice comment. Let us know how you see this video or how helpful this video is to you. Thank you guys so much. Bye. Thank you so much for watching up to the end, and please consider subscribing if you haven't done so. Comment, like, share my videos, and also watch more videos. Thank you so much.